Hey guys, a lot of people ask me, can you do like a house tour and a house tour? So I'm doing a house tour, and here I am. Guys, so I'm doing a house tour now, and so you can see my house. So this is the living room. Here's the couch. Here's the kitchen, and I'll show you everything else. So we painted this wall gray. There's the bathroom right there. I will show you the inside. This is our game room. We had to clean up for the house tour. This is our thing, and then our French doors. This is where I do my gaming and everything on my computer, and I also have a computer upstairs, so that's just good. And so here we walk down up the stairs a little bit. Nothing but it's clean, I guess. We have a nice balcony where you can see people, what they're doing. There's a bedroom over there. This is my room. It's a nice, decent closet. We have a bathroom right here. Whew. Secret passageway and bedroom. Nice bedroom. Light blue. Bathroom. A walk-in closet. And that. And so we have a laundry in our backyard. I'm going to have to show you through the stuff. But it's kind of dark in here. But yeah. But here's the bedroom, and so here's our backyard. Yeah. Guys, we're staying in here for now, but we're moving. We're moving. Yeah. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Please subscribe and everything. I can't show you. I'm gonna show you in a different video. Bye.